Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to welcome you to the Microbiology and Suitable Antimicrobial Solution by Professor Talk. My name is Dr. Ratapon from Chulalongkorn.
And I'm April from Microbiology Department, Faculty of Veterinary Science, Chulalongkorn University. We are honored to be your host for this educational content.
April, have you ever heard news about antimicrobial resistant infection?
Of course. As of lately, I have been hearing about the news a lot, especially the news regarding antimicrobial resistance situation from WHO, including OIE.
Absolutely. In the present, the antimicrobial resistant infection is the new emerging infection disease, which is an important issue in the public health, companion pet health, and livestock business worldwide, including being aware of the antimicrobial resistant infection severity that is becoming more severe in the future.
Yes, the occurrence of antimicrobial resistant infection is caused by the exposure between microorganism and same antimicrobial for a long time. Finally, this microorganism can develop the resistant genes in the offspring.
Exactly. Moreover, our awareness is the importance of the antimicrobial resistance situation, which is the crucial issue in the livestock industry. So, the suitable antimicrobial solution for the pathogen is an important issue that can encourage reduce the occurrence of the antimicrobial resistance. Therefore, Chulalongkorn Company and Chulalongkorn Food Public Company Limited have collaborated with the Diagnosis and Monitoring of Animal Pathogen Research Unit and Microbiology Department, Faculty of Veterinary Science, Chulalongkorn University. Thought that the creation of learning media in the topic of microbiology and suitable antimicrobial solution by Professor Talk, including the information update about antimicrobial resistance situation and combat strategy for veterinarian and interested persons are aware and understand the importance of the effective diagnostic of pathogen in livestock. April, what is the second topic which we prepare for everyone?
The second topic is the antimicrobial susceptibility and clinical interpretation for MIC database.
How about this topic?
It is the content which demonstrating an antimicrobial susceptibility method. It contains of Dix diffusion test, which is placing an antimicrobial sensitivity Dix of each antimicrobial that we considering it to be able to inhibit or killing the pathogen. We place the antimicrobial sense Dix on a plate that bacteria was spread on. After that, we are proud to present the combination Dix test or CTD method for verifying the extended spectrum beta-lactamase of bacteria as well.
Oh wow! Moreover, we are proud to present the usage of machine for detecting antimicrobial sensitivity and minimal inhibitory concentration by Vitek and Sensitizer. This machine helping us get results accurately in less time.
Yes, this result can be taken as database for medicine choosing in the future as well.
It's fantastic! So everyone, we hope you to enjoy our presentation. Let's go!
Dix diffusion test for ESPL screening. Dix diffusion test. Choosing a fresh, pure colony of organism. Mixes with 0.8 to 0.9% sodium chloride. For preparation, a suspension of bacteria equal to 0.5 McFarlane standard. Use a sterile cotton swab. Spread the adjusted suspension over the entire area of a molar hidden agar in 3 dimensions. Plates are allowed to dry with the lid off for 30 minutes at room temperature. Apply the discs of cephalosporin drug, that including cefotaxime and ceftazidime, onto the inoculated plate, ensuring sufficient space between individual discs to allow for proper measurement of inhibition zones. Incubate at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 24 hours. Measure the inhibition zones. Organism is positive. ESPL results if inhibition zone of cefotaxime less than or equal 27 mm or an inhibition zone of ceftazidime less than or equal 22 mm. Combination disc test (CTD) for ESPL confirmation. Choose a fresh, pure colony of organism. Mix with 0.8 to 0.9% sodium chloride. For preparation, a suspension of bacteria equal to 0.5 McFarlane standard. Use a sterile cotton swab. Spread the adjusted suspension over the entire area of a molar hidden agar in 3 aspects. Plates are allowed to dry with the lid off for 30 minutes at room temperature. Apply the discs of drug that contain cefotaxime, cefotaxime with clavulanic acid, ceftazidime, and ceftazidime with clavulanic acid onto the inoculated plate. Ensuring sufficient space between individual discs to allow for proper measurement of inhibition zones. Incubate the samples at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 24 hours. measure the inhibition zones, the organism is confirmed as ESPL positive if more than or equal 5 mm larger in inhibition zone of cephalosporin with clavulanic acid. Sensi titer machine. Pick 3 to 5 colonies of isolate from fresh primary agar plate. Emulsify in sterile water. And adjust to a 0.5 McFarlane standard and mix well. For both gram-positive and negative isolates, transfer of 30 microliters of the suspension into an 100 ml Sensi titer Mueller-Hinton broth results in colony counts which fall within the clear Sensi titer range of 5 into 10 power 4 and 5 into 10 power 5 CFU per ml. Transfer 50 microliters of broth suspension into the plate. Within 30 minutes of preparation by Sensi titer auto-inoculator. Cover all walls of each plate with the adhesive seal provided. Incubation at 34 to 36 degrees Celsius in the incubator for 18 to 24 hours. After incubation, results can be read using the Vision. automated machine. VITEC 2 compact. Gram-positive and gram-negative identification card and gram-positive EST and gram-negative EST card. Subculture the organism to be tested to appropriated agar medium and incubate accordingly. Aseptically transfer 3 ml of sterile saline, aqueous 0.45% to 0.5% normal saline, into a clear plastic polystyrene test tube. Use a sterile stick or swab to transfer a sufficient number of morphologically similar colonies to the saline tube, prepared in step 2. Prepare a homogeneous organism suspension with a density equivalent to a Macfarlane 0.5 to 0.63 using a VITEC 2 density check machine. Place the suspension tube and gram-positive card or gram-negative card in the cassette. In a second tube containing 3 ml of saline, transfer 145 microliters of the suspension prepared in step 3 for AST gram-negative cards, or 280 microliters of the suspension prepared in the step 3 for AST gram-positive cards. Then place this tube in the cassette with a susceptibility cards.
Today's second content is just finished. We have many things to show you in this topic: the antimicrobial susceptibility and clinical interpretation for MIC database.
Exactly. We think you received many important things from this content, from the antimicrobial susceptibility and MIC section. You gain knowledge about method for doing drug sensitivity by conventional and automated machine methods, such as VITEC and sensitizer.
After that, we have already done antimicrobial susceptibility method. This susceptibility result can be taken as database for antimicrobial selection for improved bacterial infectious disease or medication program in this future as well.
Absolutely. Susceptibility test is the important method for you receive the right antibiotic against two consecutive pathogens. You should practice often and you will have expertise of these methods finally.
Finally, we think this learning media should be useful for everyone. If you have any question, you can ask the microbiology expert. Thank you for your attention.
สวัสดีครับ